manufacturing and supplying high-quality ball-bearing drawer slides at the possible reasonable price, helping to give clients worldwide a competitive advantage in its marketplace. This is the goal that Wallyton Hardware Construction Factory has been striving for. Founded in 2006, Huizhou City Wanli Hentong Hardware Products Company Limited is an experienced ball-bearing drawer slider manufacturer for cabinet drawer products, transforming tables, keyboard table sliders, and server chassis rack rails. We have been rooted in the metal products industry more than 17 years and own and operate over 80,000 square feet of manufacturing, research and development, and distribution facilities centers. Our ball-bearing slide applications include industrial equipment and storage, medical and healthcare, emergency and utility vehicles, machinery, vending machines, cash handling, ATM, white goods, woodworking and cabinetry furniture. Wallyton Hardware, as the trademark, is based on high-precision progressive stamping and roll-forming machines. With the selected quality cold-rolled steel and galvanized steel materials, it has efficiently and continuously provided the most key branding customers expect quality custom-designed slide rail products to clients from Europe, America, the Middle East, Japan, and other customers since its establishment. We will sincerely cooperate with our broad customers and advance with them welcome friends worldwide to visit our company and cooperate with us based on long-term mutual benefits. We are looking forward to receiving your inquiry soon.